Hello children, today I am here with English Reader, Chapter 5, Rikki Tikki Tavi. So children, we have completed this chapter. Okay, so today what we will do? We will do exercise and question answer. So let's start the question answer. So first we will start answer these questions with reference to the contest. So come to question number 1. So number 1. When he revived, he was lying in the hot sun on the middle of the garden path. Very draggle indeed. So who is being talked about? So who was lying in the hot sun in the middle garden path? Rikki Tikki Tavi. So Rikki Tikki Tavi is being talked about. Okay. So now B number. From what did he revive? So he revived from being drowned in the flood water in ditch. Again I am repeating this answer. He revived from being drowned in the flood water in ditch. Okay. Now C number. Why was he draggled? Because he was very wet. Now D number. Who were the people around him? So who were the people? Teddy and his father were around him. Okay, now 1 number is completed. Now come to 2 number. Don't be frightened, Teddy said his father. That's his way of making friends. So who is Teddy? So Teddy is a young boy. Okay. Now B number. Why was he frightened? So now see this answer. He was frightened because Rikki Tikki ran and jumped on the boy's shoulder. Okay. He was frightened because Rikki Tikki ran and jumped on Teddy's shoulder. Now question number C. What did his father tell him? So his father told him that not to be frightened, as that was the mongoose way of making friend. So what you will write? His father told him that not to be frightened, as that was the mongoose way of making friends. Okay. Now come to question. What did Teddy mother think of Rikki Tikki Tavi? So Teddy mother thought that Rikki Tikki Tavi was a wild creature and he's so tame because we have kind to him. Okay, understood this answer? Now 3 number. When Teddy's went to bed, Rikki Tikki climbed up too. So but he was a restless companion. So what is the A question? How did Rikki Tikki spend his day at Teddy home? So Rikki Tikki spent all day roaming over the houses. Okay. Now come to question number B. What did Teddy's father tell him about the mongoose? So his father told that don't be frightened. It was just the mongoose way of making friends. Okay, this was B answer. Now come to C. Why is he called a restless companion? He is called a restless companion because he had to get up and attend to every noise all through the night. Okay. Now D number. What was Teddy's mother afraid of? So Teddy's mother was afraid that Rikki Tikki might bite Teddy. Okay, very simple answer. Teddy's mother was afraid that Rikki Tikki might bite Teddy. Questions with reference to the contest is completed. Now come to question answer. Question number 1. What did Rikki Tikki Tavi look like? So Rikki Tikki Tavi look like? Rikki Tikki Tavi rather look like a little cat in his fur and his tail, but quite like a weasel in his head and its habits. So this is the first answer. Okay. Now question number 2. Why was he called Rikki Tikki Tavi? Because of his war cry as he scuttled through the long grass. Okay. What you write here? He was called Rikki Tikki Tavi because of his war cry as he scuttled through the long grass. Now 3 number. How did he arrive in Teddy house? So how did he arrive? One day, a high summer flood washed him out of the burrow where Teddy lived. Okay. So this is the third answer. He arrived in Teddy house when a high summer flood washed him out of the burrow where he lived. 4 number. What did Teddy's mother and father do after they picked him up? So they took him into the house, wrapped him in cotton wool and warmed him over a little fire. Okay. This is the answer 4. Now 5th number. Why is it hard to frighten a mongoose? It's hard to frighten a mongoose because it is very curious creature. Okay. Now 5th complete. Now 6th number. What is the motto of all mongoose family? The motto of all mongoose family is run and find out. Okay, run and find out. So now last, how did Rikki burn his nose? So he burned his nose at the end of a cigar which belonged to Teddy's father. Okay. Now we have completed question answers. Now C number. Make sentence with the word given below. This you do in your own sentences, in your rough copy. And answer this question in English reader note copy. Now come to here. Now question number E. Find the describing word in the following sentences. So you underline. Okay. See this? You underline the describing words. Now F number. Write the correct verb in the sentences below. So Rikki Tikki, here the word is given, move through the long grass. So what you will write? You have to change the verb, moved. So Rikki Tikki moved through the long grass. In this way, you complete all the fill-ups. Okay. So now this chapter is completed. So you do this exercise in your book and question answer in your notebook. Thank you.